Hey everybody and vintage audio enthusiasts. What I'm showing you here is an early to mid 60s tube tuner by Fisher. And there's the model number. If I can get it to focus. There it is. It's a model FM-50-B. The tuner is in excellent condition, mechanically, electrically, and cosmetically. As you can see, I'll give you a little tour of the front panel. Here's the mono stereo selector switch. We have the tuning indicator switch, which I'll go into a little bit in a second. We have the antenna sensitivity switch for both normal and distant stations, and we have the tuning dial. And what you're seeing up here is the stereo beam indicator. That's what we're using as our signal strength meter. As you tune across the dial, when the two beams meet in the center, then you're locked in on a stereo signal. Sometimes you don't get a stereo signal, but as they get closer, then the station is getting stronger. So that's what you use as your signal strength meter. So I'm going to wish you a happy holiday, and without further ado, I'll give you a little demo. Here we go.
Music from one of the Lord of the Rings films. Music by Howard Shore. We heard May It Be, featuring the group Two Cellos, Luca and Stefan, getting together on Thursday. But